In this video, I'll show you how to add friends in Arknights Endfield. So all you have to do is pause the game and then navigate to the friends section from this menu. So here it is, select it. And then from here, navigate to the add friend section, which is the third icon. So use the L1 or the R1 button, and navigate there. And then from here, if you have the name of that particular player, you can simply select the enter search content and then type in the name of that particular player. So let me just type a random name. And then once you type that particular name, simply select search. And then from the list of available names that appear, find the friend that you'd like to add. So let's say if it's this one, all you have to do is press the add friend option, as you can see, the triangle one. And then you should see this option or this notification friend request has been sent. Now, once they accept your friend request, they will now appear on your friends list. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.